Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Gmail account, a draft template, and a spreadsheet with matching headers. Open Google Sheets and populate email plus any variables like first name. Once done, install or open the Mail Merge add-on. You will authorize it to access your sheet and Gmail. Make sure column names exactly match the placeholders you plan to use in the message. Now run the add-on's initial wizard to select the draft and map fields so the system can substitute values automatically. Once mapping is visible, verify each placeholder corresponds to the correct spreadsheet column. Mismatches create wrong inserts. You should preview a few sample records so you can see live substitutions and confirm personalization, punctuation, and spacing. If attachments are needed, attach them through the add-on interface or link them in the template. Remember, large files may fail. Then choose sending options like immediate versus scheduled delivery. Enable open tracking if available, and set a reply to address to centralize responses. You now execute the final send, but start small. Dispatch to a controlled batch to watch for bounces, rate limits, or personalization errors. Monitor Gmail's sent folder and the add-on's report for delivery status and open metrics. If problems occur, check for header typos, exceeded Gmail daily limits, or expired add-on authorization. Revoke and reauthorize if necessary. For large lists, split sends across days or use 1.0.0.0 recipient safe batching to avoid throttling. That troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.